So we have number 6, and that is going to be internal plaster. We will actually determine the parameter of the wall, and then we will actually multiply that with the height of the wall, so we can have the internal plaster. Now, what should be the internal plaster? The internal parameter can be determined, okay? And the height, that is of course just 4. We will take 4, okay? Just ignoring these 3 inches height, okay? That is very small work, so we will ignore that, does not matter. So in number, there should be only 1, because we have one, you can say, manhole. Now, the length, if you determine the perimeter, actually, we have 3 feet, you can say one side of the rectangle, and 3 feet the other side of the rectangle, which actually becomes, let me just write this thing over here, okay, so you guys can understand, which becomes actually something like maybe 6 feet. And then we will add actually the other side of the rectangle, okay, the internal portion, you can say, and that is 2.5 one side and 2.5 another side, so it becomes 5, right? So this is actually the, you can say, the parameter, which is 11, and we will actually multiply this with the height, which is 4, okay? So what becomes actually this thing is the 4 times 11 times 1. This is 44 square feet, you can say SFT, because we determine the plaster work in in SFT, okay, or maybe in square meter, in square yard, okay, because this thing is just determined in terms of area. Another thing which is actually number 7, and that is the final thing, we have iron steps. A direct quantity, you can see that from the diagram, it is like maybe 3 iron steps, okay? And in the description, you can even put like maybe 3 steps, and you can say at 12 inches center to center, okay? So we have 3 steps is overall, you can see the quantity is 3. So I'm gonna say numbers. All right. This is the total estimation. Is there any question? You may ask if you have any question.
No, sir.
चलो, कल हम इंशाल्लाह स्टार्ट करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट को, ठीक है? तो आप लोगों ने ज़रूर ज्वाइन कर देना है, एंड मैं इस चीज़ को शेयर कर देता हूँ आप लोगों के साथ, तो आप लोग फिर इसको स्टडी कर ले। अगर कोई क्लास लिप करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ आप लिप कर सकते हैं।